Hi, everybody. Bruce from America. I just wanted to give a special thanks to Parrot Drone Company from France and also America. Um, they did a wonderful job in replacing my Parrot Bebop Drone 2, which I love. It's just been a really nice drone. I mean, it basically flies itself. For an amateur like myself, it's a great drone. The video is beautiful. Taking pictures is nice. The sky controller is definitely a must for a little bit more precision flying. I've been trying the FPV goggles, and a little scary, but fun, and I got to get used to them. But I'll let you know how things go with that. But I did find um, the Fat Shark is basically a plug and play item to the Sky controller, and that works really good. Um, the Sky Zone FPV goggles do not work unless you're going to attach their 3D uh, uh, camera plus their transmitter to the drone, and then they'll work. But they're not plug and play with Parrot Drone 2. So that's sad because the Sky Zone is a really nice goggle. But anyways, getting back to Parrot, the drone company, they were great. I was flying my Parrot in a parking lot, wide open area, very quiet, nobody around, all by myself, and the drone is hovering at about 25 feet over the pavement, which I guess is not a great idea, but you do fly over pavement every once in a while. So I'm hovering at about 25 feet, and all of a sudden I hear crash, and I'm like, what the hell just happened? And I look at my screen, and there's a big red line across the screen, and malfunction. I don't know. It must have just had a glitch or something. I don't know what happened. I didn't press any buttons. The kill switch on the Sky controller, I didn't even touch that, and I know better because that's a switch you don't want to touch. And so I put a piece of a toothpick across it, a little piece of tape, so you can't press that button. Uh, but anyways, it landed ass end first, and on the pavement, and I went over to it and picked it up, and it was still on, uh, but I picked it up and looked at the rear end, and the two plates had separated. Uh, I can't explain how it separated, but it did. But the big red line is across the screen. It still flew, which was remarkable. Uh, but again, that big red line across the screen, big error message, it wouldn't be any good to fly. So I called up the drone Parrot company, the hotline, and I got a hold of a representative, and they were really great. And I told them what happened, and they sent me an email so I could send it back to them, a mailing address. So I printed that out and attached it to a box and put the drone inside, and I sent it back to them. And they said they'd take a look at it and see what happened. And also they said it would probably be about 4 to 5 weeks. So I prepared myself. I still have my Bebop Drone 1. I use that as my crash drone and my practice drone. But my Bebop 2, that's my special one, because that's a 25-minute flight drone. And I really like the drone time. Being able to fly for 25 minutes is just really great. You don't have to, it's just great. But anyways, so I send it out to them, and expecting 4 to 5 weeks delivery. So I basically kind of forgot about it. And then 7 days later, I get a package in the mail, and they sent me a brand new Bebop Drone 2. And I was like, yes, this is great. And so I'm back in business. So again, special thanks to Parrot Drone Company. See you later.